Hello, you are welcome here in my busy little shop. On today's episode of What's on My Workbench, I want to talk just for a moment about my YouTube channel. I've had a lot of success. I really appreciate the following and the support that I get from each one of you. But I've decided that I'm going to make a couple of changes. I have a mix a lot of times of working in the shop, working on tool restoration or my leather projects. And then I have some videos of things going on outside, whether it's hiking somewhere, a view somewhere, a sunrise. And I'm not sure how well those two mix for somebody that's interested in seeing me work in the shop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a channel and I'm going to put the non-shop related items on that channel. I'm hoping that you'll follow along over there as well. But I think the majority of the people that are here for what I'm doing in the shop. So I thought maybe this would make things less cluttered for you and you know what to expect then on this channel. So I'm going to cut away for just a second here and let you see a quick glimpse of a video that I've got coming out on my new channel. I hope you like that clip. I think it's going to be an exciting video. You can see the balance of it on my new channel. So if you would follow over there, then you'll be able to see that video and some other videos as well. And you'll be able to see more of my outdoor adventures. I really like to be outside hiking and such. I held back some on showing those on my other channel because I didn't want to complicate things too much. So that's why I created the other channel. Hopefully you follow along over there as well. And hopefully you like the more focused approach, what's happening in my busy little shop. So hope you're having a great day. Hope you have a great week. And like always, please like, share, and subscribe.